Everyone, this is Neil, and today we'll talk about inequalities in one triangle, specifically theorem number 1. But before that, let's try to observe muna kung ano bang meron sa theorem number 1. So given this triangle class, can you determine which angle is the smallest? Saan po kaya dito yung pinakamaliit na angle based sa ating triangle? And to help us answer that, we'll have the definition of triangle inequality theorem number 1, which states that if one side of a triangle is longer than a second side, then the angle opposite the first side is larger than the angle opposite the second side. Ibig sabihin lang nito, if meron tayong isang side na mas mahaba kaysa sa isa, then the opposite, yung katapat niya na angle, is mas malaki din. Okay, to give you a visualization on that one, let's have this example. So example, this is triangle ABC. So para malaman natin yung smallest angle, we have to determine kung saan dito yung pinakamaliit or pinakamaikli na side. So we have 7, 13, and 18. Yung pinakamaikli is 7. Para malaman yung smallest angle, yung katapat ng pinakamaikli. So katapat niya is angle B. So we have angle B. Then the largest angle would be, so we have 18 kasi largest tayo eh. So we have 18, then the opposite angle of 18 is angle C. So the largest angle is angle C. Another example, so we have triangle POT. Then based on this example, what is the smallest angle? Then the smallest angle, you have to determine first saan dito yung pinakamaikli na side. So we have line segment TO. Para malaman ang smallest angle, yung katapat nito. So katapat niya is angle P. Then the largest angle is angle O, correct, which is equal to 90 degrees based on this symbol. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much.